Welcome on board. This is my yacht Drika, and today I'll show you how to install your own radio controlled electrically operated Passerelle very simply, very cheaply, using easily obtained components. If your boat is berthed Mediterranean style, that is turn 2, then the ability to raise and lower by radio control is so convenient. It also greatly increases your security, making it almost impossible to get on board without the radio fob. Most Passerelles are lifted via a halyard to the top of the mast, then down to the deck. The motor can be installed beneath the deck, as mine is, or in the box at the base of the mast. So what do you need to install your electric Passerelle? Well, first of all, the motor. This is a wheelchair motor that I bought on eBay. It's 24 volts, but it will happily run on 12 volts, just alter the geometry to the Passerelle to suit. This comes with an electromagnetic brake. In wheelchair life, it stops the wheelchair moving when the power's taking off. And for our application, when the Passerelle is up, it's quite a lot of weight, stops it unwinding under gravity. The Passerelle is locked by the electromagnetic brake. This is the override, but you won't need that unless you have some major problem with it jamming. To operate the motor, you simply have two wires. Change the direction of the rotation by changing the direction of the polarity, negative, positive, positive, negative. And to wire in the electromagnetic brake, if you're running on 12 volts, you simply put these across into parallel. If you're running on 24 volts and the electromagnetic brake is 12 volts, you'll need to put in a buck converter. This drops it down to 12 volts. I'll show you that later, or the details are in my book. That just wires this way. You may be wondering how to install how to build the pulley system. It's quite simple. Well, depends what you've got in your junk box. For this example, I've got a piece of 25mm tubing, stainless steel tubing, and two deck staunchers left over from an earlier project. Just for example, you put the keyway back in here, cover it in epoxy. It's called an interference fit. In a posh way, we just basically whack this on with a hammer. So that hammer's on. This then clamps on this way. That one clamps on this way. You probably used this before. And oh, it's heavy. You have enough room there for probably 1-2 meters halyard. You don't need more than that. If you're wondering how to take this off, wondering how to mount this unit, it comes obviously with its own specific wheelchair mounting system. Your DIY store should be able to sell you something like this. It's a galvanized steel joist hanger. With a bit of ingenuity, you can bolt this up and mount the motor. You will also need the radio control unit. This one I bought on eBay. It's a 4-channel receiver in two of the 4 relays. It does have a learning button, which means you can put your fob next to it, and a blank fob, and transfer the information so you can give fobs to all your crew. Fob itself, very simple. It is attached to your keyring. You have button A, button B, up and down. Again, with these you can buy cloning fobs, so you just have one fob that's cloned, put the other fob next to it, press a few buttons, and you can also transfer the information. I think you can have up to about 16 fobs. You wouldn't need that, but each member of the crew does have one. To change the direction of the motor, you will need relays. These are typical automotive car relays. You can buy them on eBay. They're 12 volts. Now you can run this system on just 2 relays, and it will give you up and down, the changing of direction. I recommend strongly though using the 4 relay system. I have the diagram in the book. The advantage of 4 relay system is if one relay should fail, and then they can fail, as I once had to do, I had to swim back to the boat to get on board to lower the Passerelle. So the 4 relay system does give you a lot of redundancy, so one relay fails, you can still operate it. Here's my book, which is available on Amazon in either Kindle or paperback. It has a lot of information about the electric Passerelle. There's the wiring diagram, for example. It goes on to talk about saving water, all electric galley. A lot of information about a lot of ideas on boats. There's the section on how to drop the voltage very easily to install various bits of equipment. Thank you for watching my video. The link to the book is down below. Now please don't forget to subscribe. I'll be doing a lot more videos on different subjects on boating. Also try and give me a thumbs up, that really does help. Thank you very much. Good sailing, stay safe, have a great time.